Hi, I'm Chris Hearn, the founder and CEO of Fountainhead Commercial Capital. We're one of the nation's leading 504 lenders. We specialize in that product exclusively. Now, I get questions all the time, why a 504 loan? There's a lot of other options out there. You could get conventional commercial mortgage financing, you could use another SBA product called a 7A, but why a 504? What stands out about a 504? Well, I've often called it the smartest financing for business owners who are buying commercial real estate, and there's a number of reasons why. The first is that typically with an SBA 504 loan, you're only having to put half to a third the down payment required of conventional financing. So typically most of our borrowers, especially if it's a multi-use property, they're only putting 10% down of the total project costs, okay? As opposed to putting 20 to 30% down of the total value of the property with conventional bank financing. So it's a big difference. And obviously coming out of the recession, I think my message about keeping your capital, your powder dry, is much more prevalent these days. A lot of business owners understand it's better to get the highest return on their capital that they possibly can. The second big reason why a 504 makes so much sense is the loan has longer amortizations. Why does that matter? Longer amortizations mean that you have lower monthly loan payments. This is one of those things that a lot of business owners we deal with, one of the first questions we get is, well, gee, I'm paying X per month right now in my lease space, what's the loan cost going to be? And so this is the easiest way to try and keep the loan costs very low, your monthly payment low, and oftentimes, especially today, you can own far cheaper than you can continue leasing your space. So it makes a lot of sense. The last piece of an SBA 504 that makes so much sense for most business owners is the second lien loan, the second mortgage or deed of trust. It actually has the permanent piece, which is guaranteed by the SBA, is a very low interest rate fixed for 20 years. We always call it a below market long-term fixed interest rate. So for instance, when I'm filming this right now, it's in the low 4% range fixed for 20 years. It's probably one of the cheapest types of capital that a business owner can find for commercial real estate financing. So those are the three primary reasons why an SBA 504 loan makes so much sense in almost all cases when a business owner is considering buying their own commercial real estate. I hope this helps. If you have more questions, you can always reach out and contact us. We're happy to help you. Thanks so much for watching.